It's been a while since I've done one of these, and I thought I would share a customer order that I'm just about to pack now. It's my very last order of the day, and then I'm off to the post office. So let me show you what's in this customer order. Let's be nosy, shall we? Now this is a mixture. I don't think there's anything Christmassy in there. Maybe some Christmassy colours. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. And I do currently have a 10% offer off of a £10 spend. I think this customer saved £4.50 on their order. So these are 10mm silver filigree beads. I guess they could be Christmassy. Baubles. That's those. We've got some green tassels. I'd love to see what you're all making with these. I've got lots of different colours available, and I sell them in packs of 5. If you could just leave a like or a comment on this video, it just helps the YouTube algorithm see the interaction and they share my videos out to more people. Thank you so much. And then here we've got a mixture of, these are sold individually, and this is obviously being made into a pendant. Very pretty. Dandelion Wishes, these are called. And these are 25mm glass cabochons. Lovely gold and black design. And these will fit a 25mm setting. If you don't know about cabochons, what they are, I've got lots of videos on those. These are actually new beads. I wish I could share all the new stock that I've got. So much. There's so much new stock. These are lovely. They're 6mm, and these would be lovely for ocean jewellery as well, ocean themed jewellery. So those are the blue. And I also have these. These are called Sienna. It's like a rust and a grey and white. Beautiful for autumnal jewellery. Hope you're all doing okay. I've had a really busy day today. Thank you so much if you've placed orders with me. These are 8mm marine blue glass pearl beads. These are clear AB bubble beads. These are acrylic, very popular, and I've got these in lots of different colours. We've got some cabochon settings, and these are 6mm, so they will fit a 6mm cabochon, or you can fill them with resin. It's entirely up to you. And these are stainless steel, and these are stainless steel with a 9-carat gold layer over the top. We've got some stainless steel eye pins, 40mm. I like these. These are cabochon settings, but they're cats. I think I have them in silver and gold, but I can't, honestly, I don't remember. So much is going out at the moment, coming in. I lose track. We've got a bead mix. This is a 30-gram bead mix. We have some teeny tiny 18-carat gold, these are, and they're 2mm ball beads. These are plated. You can see the difference though, can't you? The colour and the gold. These are more yellowy, gold plated, and obviously these, what I would call real gold colour. So these are 4mm gold and silver. We've got some more pendants. And these are quite old actually. So the customer ordered 2, so I've just put the other 2 in as well. And there's this pendant. There's only one of those left. And I've got lots of this type of pendant in different colours. My website has a minimum £2 spend, and a lady placed an order the weekend, an order for £1, and obviously I cannot send out an order for £1, I will lose money. So it automatically, my website will charge a small parcel postage to make up for that fact. So, and I do actually say on the front page of my website, minimum order £2. So obviously you can place an order below that, but you will get charged a £4.50 postage, and I will just send it out second class large letter. So you know, you can see, and I don't like doing it, but I don't make any money otherwise. But the lady ordered 10 reindeer buttons, and buttons are something I don't buy in anymore. I just, you know, I really want to clear what I've got, so they're really cheap. She ordered a pack of 10, and obviously because it's charged her the £4.50, I think she had a pack of 60 go out to her. And I put on there like end of line. So yeah, she's hopefully she can make use of them. And here we've got some flower beads. I've got lots of different flower beads, different sizes and colours. And we've also got some gummy bear beads, hole at the top to the bottom. Again, you can buy these singly. A lot of my supplies are available singly. I do cater for those that are new to making jewellery. When you're just starting out, it can be expensive otherwise. We've got some 3mm check glass beads. Catch the light, lovely. I think that's a strand of 150, and those have got £1 off of them, plus the lady got 10% off as well. We've got some acrylic pastel beads, like rice beads, but they're acrylic. These are no more, and they don't sell them anymore. It's such a shame because they are very pretty. They're silver flowers, and they've got a diamante middle, and I've tried everywhere to find these, and they're no longer made. Just such a shame because they are beautiful. And last of all, I think we've got some 18 karat gold. Again, these are, I believe these are plated over stainless steel. These are a little bit different. Let me just show you. These are earring hooks. Can you see? They're a little bit different. They've got their flat on here to a normal earring hook, which I don't have to show you. But those are packs of 10 for £2. Again, if with the offer, they're £1. If you do take the 10% offer, they're £1.80. And that is it. So I'm going to get this all packed up and sent out and off to the post office. Once again, thank you for supporting my channel, watching my videos. I love getting to know my subscribers, so let me know down below where you're watching me from. How are you today? Good or bad? If you need someone to share something with, I'm always here for you. Take care everyone, stay safe and happy crafting.